My name is Deepak Bhardwaj, and today I will talking about the LeetCode contest. Today I will talking about LeetCode contest. Okay, and most probably I will talk about LeetCode contest. Like, you should give the LeetCode contest, yes or not. If you are in the if you are in the first year and second year, in third year and fourth year college, like even you are preparing for the placement or not. Okay, but basically you should give or not. So first of all, I characterize the questions, like the contest also. And in contest you will be seeing the question of easy level questions, medium level questions, and hard level questions. Okay, and contest hour is one hour 30 minutes. And LeetCode contest is conducted two times, mostly two times. One is on Saturday and one is on Sunday. So the contest which is conducted on Sunday, that is called weekly contest, and the contest which is conducted on Saturday, that is called bi-weekly contest. So basically bi-weekly comes after 14 days. Once it will come, then it will comes after 14 days. Okay, but weekly contest after every week, this contest will be happens. Okay, so basically I'll talk about that you should give the LeetCode contest, yes or not. Yeah, so my answer is yes, you should be giving the LeetCode contest, because it's okay that you are the beginner, you are new baby at LeetCode, you are new baby at the coding. That's fine, yeah. At least you should try to solve the first question, easy question. That easy question basically simple mathematics questions. If you are engineer, and I can say that you are good at mathematics, so you can solve the first easy questions within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can take your time if you are a beginner. If you are a little bit experienced, then you can try to solve the question within the 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and then you move to the medium level, then hard level question. So basically in LeetCode contest, basically there are the four coding questions. Okay, so 4 coding questions are there. The first one is like easy, then medium, then two of them are medium, and the fourth one is hard. Okay, so basically the purpose of this video, I will tell you that you should give the LeetCode contest on every Sunday at least. If you can avoid the bi-weekly contest, but you should give the weekly contest. What it will be bringing for you that, so basically when you are giving the contest, then the first one is that your discipline will be coming, that you will wake up on Sunday. Okay, and because the contest happening exactly 8 a.m. in the morning, so you will wake up like 7:50, 7:40 around. Okay, and second one, you will maintain your consistency. Okay, you will maintain your consistency, and your problem solving skills will be increased. Okay, your logically thinking, third one, your logically thinking will also increase. Okay, and most probably that you will be maintaining your rating there. Okay, on LeetCode, and your number of questions of solving will be increased. Okay, so you can see that by giving the contest, you can maintain your consistency, you can increase your problem solving skills, you can think, your logical thinking will be increased, your rating will be increased on the LeetCode. Then ultimately your resume will be boom. Okay, because in your resume you can write about number of questions, contest ranking also, and contest ranking your number of questions. You can see that this contest happens globally, means worldwide. Okay, and here you will get your rank, like what is your rank after finish the contest, like rank 1, rank 2, rank 4, like almost the participants around 20k, means 20,000 participants would participate in LeetCode contest. Okay, and then you will get your country wise rank, your global rank. Okay, basically you can see that there is lots of benefit by giving the contest of LeetCode here. So why don't you give it, and why you will not give the contest? You should give. It's totally free, there's no any pay for that. Okay, and you can sort your question, that which question you should solve or not. Like, so while giving the contest, you can also think about the problems, you can think about the logical thinking, and your problem solving skills will be increased, and you can save your questions. Okay, and after giving the contest, you can go and discussion sections, where you can match the your approach with the other candidate which have solved in the optimal approach. Because in the code, in coding the most important is that time complexity and space complexity. Okay, because sometimes your code will take big of n square, someone code will take big of n, your code will take big of n, someone code will take log n. So you can optimize your code while seeing the other approach and tuition. So don't try to not give the contest, do give the contest. Okay, do give the contest. That will help you in your placement and your big companies, big tech company like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and many more. So you can see that by giving the contest, by giving, I can say that by giving the contest, by giving the contest, you can enhance your coding journey. Okay, your coding journey. So please give it, you can enhance your coding journey. And once you will be good at coding, then you can go on code shape and code forces and add coder. Also give the content there, add coder. Okay, gfg, coding ninja, you can give code shape, code forces, add coder, gfg, coding ninja. So there are the many things, which will come. Okay, so please give the contest. Okay, you contest just every Sunday, on Sunday, then on Saturday. So you can give the contest like this. So please try to give the contest. And whatever I had to tell of this video, I just told, and then I summarize the things like why you should give the contest and how you can maintain your consistency and all that. So please try to give the contest. And so thank you so much for watching this video till here, guys. And I'll try to bring more concept for the coding of and also for the LeetCode on my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep practicing.